Good morning, Course 1. Welcome back. Mr. Belke here with Lesson 103, the perimeter of complex shapes, found on page 538 in your books. Let's get to it. All right, so if we have a complex shape, not just a regular rectangle like that, you know how to find, if that's 4 and that's 2, you know how to find the perimeter of this, right? 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 for a total of 8 and 4, 12 units. We're taking a look at complex shapes today, which look something more like this. All right. So we have a complex shape, and now they might tell you what some of these are. Like they might say this is 6 and this is 3 and this is 5 and this is 2. Okay? But they didn't tell me what this is and they didn't tell me what this is. But if I'm finding the perimeter, if I'm building fence, I need this section plus this section plus this plus this plus this plus this. I need to add all those, so I need to figure out what those are. All right, so here's how we can do that. I know from here to here is 6, right? So if I want to find this, I know this distance from here all the way to here is 6. I also know that this distance is 2. So if from here to here is 2 and here to here is 6, this much is 2. So that means this much would be 4. And you can see that here, 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, right? 4 plus 2 more is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, same thing goes here. If I know from the top to the bottom is 5, and I know this much of it is 3, that means this much is 2, right? Because 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay? And then I can simply add 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 14 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 6 is 22. So the perimeter around this, I would need 22, and my label is centimeters. 22 centimeters to build a fence around this pen. That's really all there is to it. Let's take a look at the example. All right, and this is not going to be to scale with these blocks as I draw this. But that's okay, we could still figure it out. All right, we got a shape similar to that, and they tell us this is 8, and this is 10. This is 2, this is M, this is N, and this is 4. All right, perfect. So we want to find M and N, okay? So if I know this from here to here is 10, and this much is 4 to here, then I know that this much has to be 4 plus what is 10? 4 plus 6. M has to be 6, right? 10 minus 4 is 6. Same thing here. If this much is 8, from top to bottom is 8, and I know this much is 2, then that means N also has to be 8 minus 2 is 6. This also has to be 6. Okay? And then I could add them up, 10 plus 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8, which would be a total of 36, right? 12, 18, 24, 28, 36. Yep, 36, and the label here in that example is inches. So you use what you know to find out what you don't know, and then you simply add them together. That's it for this lesson. As always, if you have any questions, please call, text, or email, or you can check me out online live between 9 and 10 o'clock tomorrow. Have a fantastic day.